You wake up in the morning. And before you even touch your phone, you already know what you're looking for. Their message. No message. And suddenly your whole mood drops. You try to act normal, but your mind is already somewhere else. Replaying yesterday. Imagining today. Overthinking tomorrow. And the worst part? They are living their life, while you are stuck inside your thoughts about them. This is not love anymore. This is emotional dependency. And Stoic philosophy has a very uncomfortable truth about this. If someone can control your peace without touching you, you have already lost control of yourself. In this video, you will learn how to take that control back. 1. You are addicted to access, not love. Let's be honest. Most people don't miss the person. They miss constant replies, attention, emotional availability, feeling chosen. Stoics would say, you are not attached to a person, you are attached to access. And when access is inconsistent, your mind becomes addicted to uncertainty. That is why you keep checking your phone. Not because of love, but because of emotional withdrawal. 2. Their silence is not the problem, your mind is. When they don't reply, nothing is actually happening in real life. But inside your mind, a whole story is being created. Maybe they lost interest. Maybe they found someone else. Maybe you did something wrong. Stoicism teaches. Events don't disturb you. Your interpretation of events disturbs you. Their silence is neutral. Your meaning makes it painful. 3. You are giving your power away daily. Every time. You wait for their message. You check their last scene. You overthink their tone. You are slowly handing over your emotional control. Stoic philosophy calls this, living externally controlled. And when your happiness depends on someone else's behavior, you stop living your life. You start reacting to theirs. For detachment is not coldness, it is self-respect. People misunderstand detachment. They think it means not caring, becoming cold, shutting emotions off. But Stoicism is not emotional death. It is emotional discipline. Detachment means, I care about myself enough not to suffer for someone who is uncertain about me. It is not hate. It is clarity. 5. Rebuild the version of you that doesn't wait. Right now, there is a version of you that is stuck waiting. Waiting for replies. Waiting for change. Waiting for closure. But there is also a stronger version of you. A version that doesn't check phones every 2 minutes. Doesn't overanalyze silence. Doesn't beg for attention. Doesn't lose sleep over uncertainty. Stoicism teaches. Don't fix people. Fix your focus. Because when you rebuild yourself, you stop waiting for people to choose you. You start choosing yourself. You don't heal by getting answers from others. You heal by removing your need for them. Stoic philosophy is simple. If you can control your mind, no one can control your life. And once you understand this, silence won't hurt you anymore. Distance won't break you anymore. And love will never feel like suffering again. Because you finally learned the most powerful truth. You were never missing them. You were missing yourself. If this made you reflect, like the video. Comment, I choose my peace over attachment. If this resonates with you, subscribe for more relationship psychology.